we are going to discuss exercise 5A, question number 5. Find the reciprocal each of the following. Reciprocal. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse. For every integer and every whole number, and a reciprocal of a. Reciprocal of a is equal to 1 by a. 1 by a. For every rational number, reciprocal of a by b is equal to b by a. First, and a reciprocal of 3 by a to the power reciprocal of 3 by a to the power 4. Reciprocal of 3 by a to the power 4 is equal to 8 by 3 to the power 4. 8 by 3 to the power 4. Second, reciprocal of minus 5 by 6 to the power 11. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 6 to the power 11 is equal to minus 6 by 5 to the power 11. Reciprocal third, reciprocal of 6 to the power 7 is equal to 1 whole integer and 1 by 6 to the power 7. 1 by 6 to the power 7. Number 6. Find the value of each of the following. First, 8 to the power 0. And find the value of each of the following. First, 8 to the power 0. 8 to the power 0. And we know that 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. First, and 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. According to the formula, 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Second, minus 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Third, and 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0 and 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0, 4 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Plus 5 to the power 0 plus 1 and 1 plus 1, 2. 4. 6 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 0. 6 to the power 0, 6 to the power 0, 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we find, and 6 to the power 0 is equal to 1 into 7 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 1 into 1, 1 1 is 1. Number 7. Simplify each of the following. Simplify each of the following. प्रत्येक को following and express each as rational number. First, 5 3 by 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 5 to the power 2 square. 3 by 4 to the power 4 and 3 by 4. 3 by 2, sorry, 3 by 2 to the power 4 means and 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 to the power 4 and 3 by 2 multiplied by 4 times 1 2 3 4 and 3 3 is 9 9 9 is 81 equal to 81. 2 2 is 4 4 4 is 60 is equal to 81 by 16 into 1 by 5 square raised power 2 and 1 by 5 into 1 by 5. 1 by 1 into 1 and 1 1 is 1. 5 into 5, 5 into 5. 1 into 1, 1 1 is 1. 5 into 5, 5 5 is 25. And 1 by 5 to the power 2 equal to 1 by 25. Do not simplify it. So we multiplied by numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 81 1 is 81, 60, 25 into 16, 16 5 is 80, 0, 8, 16 2 is 32 or 8, 40, 4 and 8. 65 is 80, 0, 8 or 16 2 is 32 or 8, 40, 4, 80, 1 by 4 and 3. And हमको represent as rational number. So 81 by 4 and 3. Second, and minus 2 by 3 to the power 5 into minus 3 by 7 cube. And we write and minus 2 to the power 5 or 3 to the power 5 into minus 3 to the power 3 or 7 to the power 3 and minus 2 is equal to minus 2 to the power 5 by 3 to the power 5 into we write minus 3 to the power 3 and minus 3 to the power 3 is equal to minus 1 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. So, and we write and minus 1 cube into 3 cube by 7 cube. 3 to the power 3 and it's divided and it's cut and 3 to the power left quotient 3 square. And so, and minus 2 to the power 5 by 3 square into minus 1 cube by 7 cube. And minus 2 to the power 5 is equal to minus 32 by 3 square is equal to 9 into minus 1 cube minus multiplied by 4 times, so product minus 1 cube 1 cube 1 7 cube is equal to 343 is equal to multiplied numerator to numerator and minus into minus plus and 32 1 is 32 or 9 into 3 343 into 9 is equal to 3087. Simplify and express each as a rational number. Express as a rational number. First, by 9 to the power 6 into 4 by 9 to the power minus 4. We know that, and a to the power m into a to the power n, and base equal है, so b है and a to the power m plus n, and चिन्ह सहित कुछ पावर को छोड़ देंगे, so b है and 4 to the power 9 to the power 6 plus minus 4 is equal to 4 by 9 or 6 plus sign, so no change, minus 4 is equal to 4 by 9, 6 minus 4 and 2 is equal to, and we convert it to rational number, and हमको रेशनल नंबर में चेंज करना है, इसलिए b, so b 4 to the power 2 and 4 into 4, 4 4 जा 16, 9 square and 9 into 9, 9 9 जा 81. Second, minus 7 by 8 to the power minus 3 into minus 7 by 8 to the power 2, minus 7 by 8 to the power minus 3 into minus 7 by 8 to the power square, and we have हम पाते हैं base minus 7 by 8 and minus 7 by 8 are equal, base equal, so we right we have and minus 7 by 8 to the power minus 3 plus 2 equal to minus 7 by 8 to the power minus 3 plus 2 and minus plus, तो चिन्ह छोड़कर हटा देंगे, फाइंड द डिफरेंस, 7 3 minus 2 and 1 और minus 3 लगाएंगे, convert into rational number, so we make their power positive, so we find 1 by r 8 by minus 8 by 7 to the power 1 r minus 8 by 7, according to the rule a by b, for minus 1 equal to b by a.